Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have an adorable, very chic beach home to show you over in Hidden Lagoon, a cute little neighborhood off of North Lagoon. And oh my goodness, I love that end of the beach because you're close to schooners, you're close to St. Andrews State Park, you've got the shopping, you've got Petronas School, all the things. Can you tell I love that end of the beach?
Yes.
But tell us about this great 4-bedroom.
Okay, so we've got this 4-bedroom, and what I super love about this house, when you walk in, it's just open concept. Exactly what we're wanting to look for, having the family together with the kitchen and the living and dining and all of that. What's super great, this one has a master on bottom.
Nice.
So the rest of the family can be upstairs, and what's super great about this house is there's a landing upstairs. So if you want extra space for the kids or the teens or an office, you've got that.
It's got that bonus space. I also love, they have that cute little balcony at the second floor in the front.
Right off the front. Yes.
Yeah, a fenced-in yard. It's got that like storage shed as well.
And what's great is the street that it's on it's not gated, but it's very private. There's no reason for anybody to go down that street unless you live there.
Right.
So that's really nice.
Super cozy.
Yes.
Affordable HOA, very, very small.
Very small, and you're only a few minutes to the sand. You're right around the corner. It's really fantastic. Perfectly positioned on the east end of Panama City Beach.
Nice, and a great value, guys. A home in Panama City Beach, a 4-bedroom in the early 3s, get out of here.
Right?
That doesn't happen
That's exactly
often.
right.
If you want to check out this property, please give us a call. We would love to show it to you.
And don't forget to subscribe to thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss any future listings.